Hi, this is Karen from Food Jazz, and today I'm making sausage balls. This classic holiday appetizer requires only 3 ingredients. So here's what you're going to need. 2 cups of baking mix, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 pound of pork sausage. So you just want to crumble up the sausage in your large mixing bowl. And now you're going to pour on your baking mix. And you just want to mix this together until it's well incorporated. And now you want to do the same thing with the cheese. Mix it till everything is well incorporated. And now you want to roll it into smaller balls and place on a cookie sheet that's been lined with parchment paper. You want to bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And they pop out of the oven ready to party. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.